2004 Toyota Tundra TRD 4-wheel drive. It's having a problem where turning into a parking spot slowly, ABS pump would kick on and release brakes, almost causing accidents multiple times. This went on for a while, couldn't trace the issue, it seemed intermittent. Had it in the shop for a couple weeks here, a couple weeks there for over about 3 months. Nobody could figure it out. Changed the master cylinder. It felt like air in the line a couple times and never really solved the problem. Ended up putting all my old parts back on. Changed the master cylinder, changed the ABS module, bled the brakes, checked the calipers, checked the brake pads, even did the service bulletin recommended by Toyota on this year model, where it needed shims behind new brake pads. That didn't fix the problem. Ended up tracing the issue back to the speed sensor right here. Pretty much what was happening. A lot of times with these wheel speed sensors, your wheel bearing, as it goes out, little metal shavings come out and stick to the magnetic tip. That is not the case here. I'll show you the old one. Right here. You can see the little rubber gasket around it is busted. Got a little bit of water in there playing in the mud, and it rusted, and the rust flakes stuck to the magnet on the tip. Wheel bearing is perfectly fine, but it did have pieces on there, and when pieces of metal get stuck on there, it causes the sensor to read bad. And only at low speeds it was seeing a little bit of a difference, and it was intermittent. Nobody could figure out what was going on. But changing out these wheel speed sensors is not hard at all. You just got to be clean while you're doing it. The surface right there, you got to make sure that you get, obviously, the correct speed sensors. If you want to clean the surface on the actual steering knuckle before you do it, make sure you have a good clean fit on it. Make sure you don't want your wire to be tight in any place. I had to adjust this one in a couple different areas because of my lift, but wire and harness goes all the way up. You can't just get the sensor on this vehicle. You got a 10mm. I could use a socket here, but you had to use a box end and actually catch it from the rear on this one. And there's your plug. That's it. But I actually started with the other side. This is the driver's side. I had started with that other one, and it's still doing the issue. Changed this one out. It was pretty simple. The sensors I actually got off of eBay. There's some cheap ones. I got a set of 4 for $100. Yeah, that's it. Hopefully I'll save you guys some money.